So here's the easiest way to tie a diamond knot for a soft shackle. Get enough working ends, take the lower line through your fingers, twist it into a loop, then take the top line, pull a loop up through and take the end round the back underneath the bottom line and then through itself. And what you've created here is a carrot bend. Should look like a nice sort of figure of 8 with a diamond in the middle, which forms the core of our diamond knot. So the next is to take the tails and pass them round the opposite leg and up through the centre of the knot. So starting with the red line, we're going to go around the back of the blue, down and around the back, and then up through the central diamond of the carrot bend, like so. Then we do the same with the blue, so you're going to go round, down, round the back of the red, and then up through the centre of the knot parallel with the other tail. It looks a bit of a mess, but just pull it tight, work the loose end through, and you should end up with a really neat diamond knot which is perfect for use on a soft shackle.